Serena, and I'm an architectural engineering student at UT Austin, which means I'm studying the engineering of buildings. So a bit about me, I grew up in Austin, and I was always interested in learning how things work, and I want to learn more about that so I could create things of my own. Growing up, I also really liked building blocks and creating with Legos. Architectural engineering is like building with Legos on a real-world scale. So now when I grow up, I want to be a structural engineer, someone who makes buildings more resistant to earthquakes and hurricanes. I'm actually right outside of UT's architectural engineering building, so that's really cool. Come on, let's go take a look inside. Now I'm in an engineering design studio, where a lot of architectural engineering students go to work on projects. For instance, we take a design course where we learn how to physically and computer model buildings. So here's some examples of that. Whenever you're a senior, you're also going to take a design course where you spend the whole semester modeling your entire building, and the other stuff we talked about. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a tower out of sticks and cups. So the materials we need are wooden blocks, jumbo popsicle sticks, and 3-ounce plastic or paper cups. So your first challenge is to try to build a tower with only one cube as the base. Now here's the hint for that last challenge. Try to add pieces on both sides simultaneously, so you're not making one side heavier, but instead balancing the weight. But now, let's try challenge number 2. Using any size base, build the tallest possible structure you can. Try experimenting with different shapes and sizes of bases to see which one would work for a tall structure. You're doing great. Now for challenge 3, feats of balance. Try to make something stick out in an impressive way, but don't let the tower topple. Alright, now it's time for challenge 4. What can you build with just one cup as the base? You'll see the concept of gravity and counterbalance on towers and structures. Now, where do you see this in real life? Well, gravity is everywhere. It's what makes a ball fall on the ground whenever you release it, or what causes you to tip over if you're trying to do a cartwheel or a handstand. And whenever you're playing Jenga, it's what eventually causes your tower to topple. But gravity can also help keep things in place, like the cups in our tower. The trick is to make sure the weight is evenly distributed. For example, a wide base can distribute the weight over a broad area, which keeps the tower stable. Making sure the tower isn't too top-heavy also keeps it from falling over. Finally, you need to make sure the cups are evenly stacked on top of one another, so the bottom ones are fully supporting the top ones, thus keeping it from falling. So you see this idea of counterbalance in a seesaw, for instance. It's no fun to seesaw alone, right? Because then you're just sitting on the floor. You need another person to come along and balance out the weight, and then y'all can go back and forth. Well, that's it for this activity. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hook 'em.